to Asia's Queen of Songs, Lilita Corrales.
Presenting the plaques of recognition for the Guillermo Foundation are Engineer Jim Paul Mendoza, Mrs. Jeneline Mendoza, Dr. Mylene Mendoza, and Mr. Daniel Bautista. Accepting the award for Miss Lilita Corrales is Miss Jackie Lou Blanco.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much to the Guillermo Memorial Foundation Awards for this honor that you've given my mom. I'm asked, even in the past, because meron na rin pong ibang tributes na nabigay. I always say it's such an honor because you have recognized the achievements of my mom, her contribution to not only the Philippine entertainment but also in other parts of the world. But I always say it's bittersweet because that means she's not with us anymore. But I'd like to thank you for giving this award on behalf of my family. Maraming salamat in this difficult time. This eases our pain a bit, and I hope that you remember my mom for everything that she has done. And if you have known my mom personally or not personally, kung ano man po yung natutunan niyo sa kanya, continue to give her honor by sharing what you have learned from her. Thank you, Homer, for making such a beautiful piece for everybody. Thank you so much, and I want to thank Vina Morales for singing so beautifully my mom's song. Thank you, Vina, and to everybody. Maraming salamat. On behalf of my family, thank you very much.
Multi-awarded TV and film actor, Ricky Davao.
Accepting the award for Ricky Davao are his daughters, Ara and Nikki May Davao.
Good evening po everyone. Thank you so much for honoring our dad. Alam po namin na for his whole life, talagang minahal po niya ang industriya natin. At kahit last year, may mga nararamdaman na siyang sakit sa katawan and eventually nagka-problema na po talaga sa health niya. Hanggat kinaya po niya, pumunta pa rin po siya sa mga taping, shooting, rehearsals para sa last musical na ginawa niya. At kahit hindi na niya natapos lahat yon, I know that if kinaya lang ng katawan niya at ng health niya, he will give his 100%, more than 100%.
Yes, maraming salamat po. Actually, bago po kami umakyat, nakikipagpustahan po kami kung sino ang iiyak. So, ako po yun, ako yung natalo, by the way. Pero maraming salamat po. Just looking out at the audience at lalo na yung mga nakatrabaho ni Papa, alam po namin na hindi siya makakalimutan because he will live through each of you sa lahat ng mga proyekto na ginawa niyo. And he will continue to live through the craft that he loves and the craft that he taught us to love. So maraming salamat po. It's an honor to be here to receive this for our dad. And for those who don't know, his last performance was actually on this stage for his last musical, which was A Silver Lining. So it's like we're sharing the stage with him. So Dad, we love you so much and maraming salamat po.
Queen of Philippine Cinema, Gloria Romero.
Accepting the award is her grandson, Christopher Gutierrez.
just like to thank everybody here who gave this recognition to my Lola. It really means a lot to me because I think about her every day, and the fact that other people are still thinking about her kind of makes me feel better about this whole situation. So, thank you. That's all I can say. Thank you.
OPM legend, Haji Alejandro.
Accepting the award for Haji Alejandro are his daughter, Barney Alejandro, and granddaughter, Ariana.
Pasensya na po, old school po ako. I had to write down the speech. First, I would like to thank the Guillermo Mendoza Foundation for recognizing my dad, Haji Alejandro, for his contributions in the Filipino entertainment industry. For those of you who don't know, my dad won the very first international singing competition. It was called the Metropop in Seoul, Korea in 1978, and he brought so much honor to our country. He sang the song Kay Ganda ng Ating Musika, composed by national artist Ryan Cayabyab. To the Filipino people, he was an OPM legend and known as the Kilabot ng Kolyala. But to us, to his family, he will forever be our Daddy Waps. He was the best father anyone could ask for. He was my best friend, he was my mentor. He taught me, Rachel, Ali, and Angeli, my siblings, to do the very best that we can. It's either you give 100% of it or don't do it at all. He was so kind to me growing up. He never even raised his voice, not once. We love him so much and miss him so terribly. You know, his music will continue to be remembered forever. And his legacy will continue as long as his grandchildren continue to sing.
We love you so much, Lola Waps, and you truly deserve this award. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And the one and only superstar, national artist for film and broadcast arts, Nora Honor.
Miss Lotlot de Leon.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ang surreal. Ang surreal kasi kasama kong pamilya ko dito na nakatayo. It's only been 3 months, 2 months, nawala si Mami at si Mamita, si Kuya Ricky, pero hanggang ngayon, kagaya ng mami ko, patuloy niyo po siyang binibigyan parangal. Salamat. Thank you. Simula nung nabubuhay siya, ang Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Award ay parte na ng buhay niya. Hanggang ngayon, wala na siya, hindi na natin siya kapiling, andito pa rin kayo para sa mami ko. Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Award. Maraming salamat sa parangal at pagkilala sa trabaho ng mami ko ng ilang dekada na ibinigay niya dito sa industriya natin. Maraming salamat. Naway, ang buhay ng mami ko, ang sining niya, ang pagmamahal niya sa industriya ay magsilbing inspirasyon sa lahat na nagsisimula at patuloy na nandito at lumalaban sa ating industriya. Naway ang buhay niya ay magsilbing inspirasyon na kahit sino ay pwedeng makamit ang kanilang pangarap basta patuloy na magsusumikap at talagang marunong makipagkapwa-tao at totoo sa sarili at laging marunong tumanaw ng utang na loob. So, ang dami ko pa pong gustong sabihin sa inyo, but mula sa akin at sa aming pamilya, sa aking mga kapatid, si Ian, si Matet, si Kiko at si Kenneth, kaming mga anak ni Miss Nora Inor, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you.
Box Office Entertainment Award.
The finest voices in the OPM Kingdom. Vina Morales, Jillian Ward, Diego Gutierrez, Dingdong Avanzado, and Jono Gibbs.
araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Tayong dalawa. malalim damdamin pag-ibig. Kung umapaw ang kaluluwa at tinig, ay sadyang bawat sandali aking pilit mabatid ang ibig na may tuturing aking mapupuri pagkat puputlain. Marami ang di magsasabi, eto na inyong tingin. Kay ganda ng ating musika, kay ganda ng ating musika, ito ay atin, sariling atin, at sa habang buhay, awitin natin. Kay ganda ng ating musika, kay ganda ng ating musika, ito ay atin, sariling atin. Kay ganda ng ating musika. Lupasin ako.